filming.
We are vlogging
Every day.
every week till
Christmas Eve. You should come and watch our vlogs.
It will be super gay.
It's so hard to see anything. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's happening?
I'm slowing down because I can't see.
A cop car there. The cop just pulled in front of this car. Good morning. Happy Vlogmas, you guys. So today I am actually just getting ready to pack up my stuff. I am, where is it? Right there, getting ready. We are going snowboarding and I'm so excited. This is gonna be our first time on the mountain. We got season passes, so we booked our hotel. Now we get to go during the week because Travis is now doing YouTube. So he doesn't have a job where we have to wait till the weekends when it's really crowded. And so I'm really excited about that. So I'm just gonna pack up my snowboard bag and some stuff for our trip. And yeah, we're gonna go head down to the mountain. So you guys are coming with us. And oh my gosh, look, you guys, I'm wearing my new Victoria's Secret thermals. Aren't these so cute? They're so cozy and soft and I just love them. It's so wintry and cold. There's our new little throw pillows that we got and we have the fireplace on. It's so stormy outside. It's so gloomy and stormy and windy. So that's really good for us snowboarders because that means that it's dumping in the mountains right now. It's snowing out there, so we want to hurry up and get there so we can go ride. It is freezing cold. It's this huge storm came in. It's raining. It's really windy. So we're let's go snowboarding because it's supposed to be snowing a lot on the mountain. So we got all our stuff packed up. We're heading to the gas station to get some gas, and then we're heading to the mountain.
Hard right now, but it's not that cold yet, so it's not snowing, but we are going to get into some snow in a little bit.
Pouring rain. I'm surprised I haven't had a full-blown panic attack yet on this drive because, girl, you know me. I do not like driving in the rain. I get serious anxiety and full-blown panic attacks, and it is raining hard. And we're doing that windy road on the way up the mountain to Tahoe, so kind of sketched out a little bit, but staying positive, thinking positive. Oh my gosh, you guys, I literally feel like I'm gonna throw up. This windy road kills me every time. I forgot how car sick I get on this road, and I'm trying to edit also, which is probably not the smartest idea, but I really need to get this done to go up for tomorrow. But I wanted to show you guys the snow because it's so cool. Look at the snow, you guys. You guys, it is full on snowing right now. We just pulled over. Travis is having a hard time seeing while he's driving. We just had to stop on the mountain right now and they're stopping people. I think they're telling people that we have to put chains on our tires. So we have chains, which is good, and I think we're gonna have to put chains on our tires, Buggles. Do they do it for you or are you gonna have to get out and do it?
You do it. You have
oh
to do
shit,
it.
So you're gonna have to get out and put chains on?
What's happening? Good.
All-wheel drive?
Yeah, all-wheel drive, and I got a set of chains with me too.
Sweet. Drive safe. It's white out up there right now, so drive safe.
Okay, yeah, I'll go slow.
Cool.
Thank you.
So what did he say? You don't have to put chains on?
No, what you need is basically you have to have all-wheel drive and carry chains.
Okay. Damn, dude, you can't see shit right now.
Hold on. Yeah.
It's really scary, actually. Whoa, dude. Those people are awfully fucking close to our car. And it is fucking snowing hard right now, you guys. Damn, dude. It looks like fireworks exploding at us, while we're driving. It's so crazy. It's so hard to see anything. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's happening?
I'm slowing down because I can't see.
Okay. Do you want to maybe pull over and wait for it to stop snowing? Because I'm getting nervous with you driving.
Honey.
If you can't see, why are you gonna keep driving if you can't see, baby? That's gonna freak me out a little bit. You know what I mean? You're I'm slowing down because I can't see anything. Why don't we pull over? That's probably safer.
I'm slowing down because it's hard to see. I can still drive, I just have to go slower. So everything's fine. Nothing's gonna happen to us going 5 miles an hour, okay? And I just have to go slow because it's hard for me to see.
Okay,
That's
well,
all.
I just don't feel very safe with you telling me that you can't see.
That's why I slow down. But if you look at the speedometer, we're going 5 or 10 miles an hour, nothing could occur.
Okay.
So that's all.
I trust you.
Okay.
Now we are at a complete stop, standstill. We're just chilling. I don't know how long we're gonna be stuck here, but if you can see, there is a cop car there, and then the snowplow people here, and we're all just chilling. There's people behind us. And I have no idea what's going on, but all I know is we're just stopped here and waiting. so that we can get to the hotel. I don't think we're too far away, but it's taking a lot longer than usual because, you know, it's pouring. What do you say, like pouring snow?
Blizzard conditions.
It's blizzard conditions out, and so I don't know. I'm not used to when it snows, so I don't know what they say really. But
the lingo.
Yeah, the lingo for the snow when it's like snowing really hard. I guess you say like whiteout. It's whiteout.
Whiteout conditions.
Yeah, whiteout conditions. So yeah, this is really interesting. This has never happened to me before, like going up to the mountain. It's never been like this, but we're really excited about the snow for tomorrow when we're snowboarding, because fresh snow is like the best to snowboard in. So I'm really excited about that. Travis is really excited about that, but I don't like driving in this type of weather. It freaks me out, and I just think it's really dangerous. So I will be very excited and a lot more calm when we get to our hotel room. I'm starving right now. I'm like craving like Thai food, like fried rice, Thai food with vegetables. Oh, that sounds so good. I have no service on my phone. We're also staying at a brand new hotel. What is the hotel we're staying at?
Mont Bleu. Well, it's not a brand new hotel. We haven't stayed there.
By brand new, I mean a new hotel for us, like a hotel we haven't stayed at yet. It's called Mont Bleu, and I think they had like their rooms remodeled, so it's like gonna be nicer, I guess. So we like that. Whenever we come up here, we like to stay in like different hotels. Like we haven't stayed in this one yet, so we're excited to stay. I don't know what is going on. I cannot believe we're like dead stopped in the middle of like the road right now. This is crazy, you guys. Well, at least it's exciting stuff for Vlogmas, right? Gosh, I really wish like all of you guys could like come on this trip with us. It'd be so fun. Like I love just having like groups of people to like come hang out with us. I wish my family lived closer and my friends lived closer, but I think we're gonna try to get like Jess and Brayden up here one of these times. And I don't know if any of my friends want to come to Tahoe. Let me know, you guys. I would love to have more people come with me, tear up those bunny slopes. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully we're gonna get moving soon, and if we do, I will see you guys soon, hopefully at the hotel or at dinner, because I'm hungry. So we thought we were moving. This is like way later, and then the cop just pulled in front of this car and literally just stopped us again. What in the hell is going on? This is so weird. Like, why would he stop us?
Well, now there's a huge line of cars behind us.
I know. Damn, dude, this is nuts. Okay, you guys, we made it safely to town, thank goodness. And we stopped at this place called My Thai, and we're gonna get some Thai food, and then we're gonna head to the hotel. This is the first course. We got a little salad. Here's my main course. Alright, you guys, we stopped at the grocery outlet because we gotta get some water. When we come up here, you really have to stay hydrated because you can get elevation sickness. So we are heading into the grocery store. Ooh, I'm getting snow in my eyes. Ow, that hurts. You getting snow in your eyes, baby? Goodness gracious. Look at all the snow, you guys. It's freaking freezing out here. Look, you guys, they have advent calendars in here. And only $1.29. What a good deal. Look at all the Christmas stuff. Do you guys remember those? How fun. Look at those. So cute. Oh my gosh. Do you guys remember Abba Zabbas? Yeah. What is that?
Tamarindo.
Oh my god. You guys, we did a Mexican candy haul, and one of them was called Tamarindo. You guys should watch that if you haven't seen it. It's on my main channel.
Tamarindo.
To the walls. So pretty. This is where we're staying, Mont Bleu. Oh my gosh, they're throwing snowballs at each other. So cute. Alright, you guys, we're about to check in. I'm excited. Oh, it looks so pretty. I love all the snow on people's cars. So Christmassy. Alright, you guys, so we just got into the hotel. I'm waiting for Travis. He went and parked the car, and then we're going to go up to our room. We're going to give you guys a little room tour. Alright, you guys, so when you first walk in, there is a closet to the left. And then we'll take you this way. There's a little OOTD mirror here. And then the bathroom has this really cool, like, sliding barn door, which is kind of cool. And when you walk in, it looks like this. Looks like the toilet is over here somewhere. Okay, yeah, so the toilet is here. Interesting, there's no door. So I guess that's the door. And then over here is the shower. That looks like a fun shower. Ooh, this is like a sexy shower time. Travis is gonna like that. And that's me. Hey! Oh, by the way, just so you guys know, I got this at TJ Maxx when we went shopping. Can you see that? It's like a little fuzzy headband thing. It's fake fur, by the way. So, okay. So this is the bedroom. Very cool. I like the like wooden backsplash type thing they have going on. And then they have this cool little desk, a little TV, a really cool little deer art piece on the wall. It's nice and warm and cozy in here, so hopefully we'll get our luggage soon and we will be able to unpack, take showers, and get nice and cozy in the bed and maybe watch a Christmas movie. So this is what the little headband is that I got. I think it's really cute and it's actually really warm. So I got that to keep my little ears and head warm when I go out in the snow because it's freaking freezing, you guys. It's so cold here. And this is like fake fur. This is what I got from TJ Maxx. It was $16.99, so pretty good deal. We're still waiting for our luggage. True test is to see how comfortable the bed is. We're gonna test that out right now. Ooh, it's pretty cozy, guys. Trav, did you try the bed?
I pushed on it.
Super cozy, guys. I'm liking it. I'm gonna get all snuggled in the bed. Woo! So excited. Excited to go ride snowboarding tomorrow. Oh, it's gonna be cold, but it's gonna be so fun. So good morning, you guys. It's the next morning. I totally passed out and forgot to end tonight's vlog, so I'm gonna end it now. I love you guys all so much. I'm sending you all my love and all my positive energy, and I hope to see you in tomorrow's video because we're gonna be snowboarding. Mwah!
Time for us to Netflix and chill.
Yes, Slay Queen, that's everything.
By the way, just like hashtag shameless promo, you can follow me everywhere at Channon Rose. I'm on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, you know, all the social media.
I'm at Question Your Food.